In this video, we'll learn how to create an eye-catching thumbnail using Canva, which is one of the most popular and easy to use tools for making YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and more. Thumbnails are really important because they grab attention and help your content stand out. So let's start making one from scratch. To make a thumbnail, first open Canva and click on Custom Size. We'll use a custom size for the thumbnail. The standard recommended size for YouTube thumbnails is 1280 pixels wide and 720 pixels high. Enter these dimensions and click on Create Design. Once your blank canvas opens, the first thing you need to do is select a background color that matches your theme. I'm choosing this color, but you can go with whatever suits your style. Now go to the Elements tab where you'll find different design options for your background. For example, I'm selecting these stripes to add some style. You can also adjust the transparency and color of the elements to make them blend well. Spread the design across the entire canvas so it covers your thumbnail properly. After that, upload the picture or logo you want to use. Drag and place it on your thumbnail and adjust its size and position as needed. To add text, go to Elements and search for shapes. Choose any shape you like. I'm picking this one. Resize it by dragging the corners to make space for your text and position it wherever you want on the thumbnail. You can copy and paste the shape if you want to add multiple text boxes. Feel free to change the color of these shapes to match your design. Next, go to the text section or double tap on the shape, increase the font size, choose your favorite font style, and type your topic title. Repeat the same process for any additional text you want to add. Once everything looks good and your design is complete, your thumbnail is ready.